here, so let me feel a little bit like home. I cannot scream or yell or anything because everybody's sleeping, okay? But let me tell you a story. A story about me destroying everything that I was hoping that I will achieve, destroying all my dreams and destroying, like, I don't know. I think there's something wrong with me, honestly, because I just refuse to be happy. Every time I find a path how to get rid of my chains, I somehow ruined that chance. And if you're just here for see me how I will blow my account, don't worry, we will get to that, okay? So just for the record, today is 24th of July, and you might wonder what I was doing these last 2 weeks. So sit down, fasten your seatbelts, and let's go for a ride. I'm Nexivy, and this is my challenge. Alright, so if you watch my previous video, last week, somewhere like 15th or 15th of July, I have started my challenge. I was deciding which broker I want to use and all these stuff, and I went for a Clarity broker, or no, Clarity Traders, sorry. There was a particular reason for that, basically because of the price, the value, etc. I was really doing some sort of research about everything, and I have decided to go with a Clarity trader, okay? And I have started because let's have it like this: a 10K account cost something like $89, okay? And the 25K account cost something like $111. Okay, it's very easy. Just ask ChatGPT if he can find any voucher that you could use for a discount. It will find a bunch of them. This is like the easiest way how to get any discount, and it's great. I really appreciate this. It's really awesome. It's really perfect. Okay, so I have started this challenge on Wednesday, 16th of July. Okay, and I'm how to say it? I'm ashamed for what I have done. Whatever I did, it wasn't trading. Okay, that was gambling. So I went for 25K account. I've paid for it, and I wasn't trading. It was pure gambling. So, but not only like that, I don't know, like place an order and see what will happen. No, that was high stake gambling. Okay, one mother flipping big candle could closed my whole account. The fault is on me. I didn't calculate the lots. I didn't use lot calculator, so that goes on me. Okay, I was a dighead. I definitely should go for a 10K account, learn how to do it. Okay. Anyway, I'm really ashamed for what I have done on my first day of trading, or what I thought is trading, okay? Just the point. Till this day, I can say I had like 2 days when I was really properly trading. 2 days when I can say I was trading. But we will get to that. Let's see the Wednesday. I was quite late. I had a lot of phone calls right now, so I'm sorry. I started the recording a little bit later. And I still don't know. I'm not sure what I want to trade, or if even I want to trade today. Okay, so not sure really. Oh no, not the UK, but this US 30 looks juicy. It looks they have break this support line. They keep going down, so but I'm scared that this we're breaking even more here, but I'm a little bit scared that this train is off of the platform. Yeah, maybe yeah. And I need to set this so I don't. Ooh, okay, 0.5, something like that, 11,000. 1 minute frame. This might be sweet entry for a short, but I'm not sure. I'm really not sure about this. Okay. How much is one? 11,000. Okay. Okay, let's give it a try. That was bad trade. That was bad. Okay, one more try. That was my mistake, honestly. Yeah, my mistake. Let's go one more time. Let's start pushing up. Let's see if we can break this. But there was like plus 200, so I was like, yeah, I want to take that. -3, -4, -200. Let's push, baby. Push, push, push it. Let's go up. Yeah, let's go. Let's push it. No, I said push it, baby. Push it up. Bro, this is brutal. One lot is really a lot, so... Okay, push, please, please. No, 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 no. No, no, no. It's really brutal. That's really a lot. I need to get used to this. 0.5. Like, one lot is really a lot. You saw that, I saw that. Okay, so let's... half a lot. Let's give it a shot. And... bro, that was really brutal. -500 like this. Now let's go. Let's start pushing this. I need those money back. Okay. Let's go. Plus 200 like that. Let's see. I want to see the trades. Yeah. Yeah. You see that? -200 minus. Oh, that was brutal today. That's brutal. That's really is brutal. I can't imagine going 25k in it. I can't imagine that. Okay. But I have missed the entry. That's it. Let's see. Okay. This looks sweet. Honestly. Let's go one. How much? Oh no. 0.25. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I don't even have a time to set a stop loss, bro. This looks sweet. No, 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 no. No, bro. Don't like it. Don't like that trade at all. That's okay. No, doesn't. No. I'm out. I'm out. Oh, that was brutal. One more. Don't want to do that. I have like 300. Okay. Can we push back? Yeah. My bad. No. 0.5. Rethink that. I have like 300. That. And then I will be closed for the day. This was brutal. This was extremely brutal. Okay. Okay, USD seems to be pushing, so maybe too late. I don't know. So let's give it a shot, bro. Take that. Yes. Let's go. Nope. 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 It's brutal. This is really brutal. 100. Okay. Push, please. Push, push. I need to get used to what are we doing here. No, 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 no. Floating. Bro. Okay. That's right now I'm $180 on my daily drawdown, so that's really bad. That's really bad, as you can see. So one more time for this better entry. Let's go. Let's push. Push it. Bro, push it. Push it, bro. Nah, fake breakout. I know. Bro, this was brutal. Yeah, really not proud on that, but that day I have learned my lesson. Okay? I've blown 25k account within an hours by my own fucking fault. So I did what every trader would do on my place. I opened a second account. Okay, but this time I did 10k. Okay, I went for a 10k. So right now I'm trading on 10k account and I have started pretty nicely. But again, that was gambling. That wasn't a trading. Really, that wasn't a trading. That was gambling. I took 2 trades. I took plus 200. Okay, just roll the video. Nothing I can really do right now. I'm definitely don't want to blow second account in one day. It's like something I really don't want to do. But it was a painful experience. So right now I don't have FOMO. I do not have it. I'm just thinking if it is okay to trade today or not. So are we reversing or is it fake? Looks like that one is gone. But I've seen this move before. 0.25, too much. 15, that might be okay. Okay, so I'm going in US 30. Okay. You need to place a stop loss somewhere like, how much would that be? $300, that's a lot. And my take profit I would like to have somewhere like here. This is not a good trade, honestly, confirm. It's not a good trade, the ratio is not good, but it's my first trade I will do on this account, so let's go. Bro, let's start pushing. Okay, let's move it like below here. Let's hope. And can we push it like here? Confirm. Or just take $100, don't be a dickhead. Okay? Or just wait. Okay. $99 profit. $106. Okay. Checking out. I'm checking out. Yeah, okay. So Nasdaq took this and I think it's ready to pull. 0.15, now 25, something like that. Let's wait for a little better entry because I think we will pull back, then we will start attacking these positions. So I might be looking. Yeah, okay, that's what I thought. Okay, so we have retest. We are testing this. If we will start reversing, I will consider to enter the trade because we have reached this level, slightly above. Now we have retest this level. So yeah, okay. This might be a safe trade. Not sure if I want to take it. Let's go. Let's go. Immediately. Let's go. We need to push this. Push it, baby. Okay. Stop loss somewhere like here. Take profit should be here. Confirm. And I believe. Let's believe. It should be okay. Let's push it, baby. Let's push it. Let's take another 100. My head is today. I really have like headache from this. It was a lot of pressure on me, and it's totally different from what I normally do. It's totally different from my training. Wow, really, guys, head downs for everybody out there. Respect, really. My first day, I've blown 25k account and made my profit 2% on my 10k account. So, yeah, thanks for watching this, and I'll be just sitting here looking for candles. Just wow, bros, really. Still, I'm extremely in shame for what I have done. And this was not trading at all. Not really. This had nothing to do with trading. Okay, and I was in that day I was really proud on myself. I was like, okay, I did something right because I am in profit. No, dumbass. No, pretty bullshit for what I have done. I really don't feel good about what I have done. Okay. I have realized this in the evening, in the bed, the next day, I don't know. I have realized that what I have done, I wasn't trading. I wasn't. I need to use my brain in this, okay? I would like to, in this point, really thank to today 3 channels. Back then it was only 2, but today to 3 channels. These 3 channels that I'm showing right now. Guys, I will get to that later, but right now I would like to thank you for what are you doing. You helped me extremely a lot, but I will get to that also. Okay, so I had some good old sleep. That gets me into a Thursday. On Thursday I was more or less thinking that I'm doing some sort of strategy, but well, it wasn't gamble. First of all, it wasn't that big gamble, that high stake gamble that I did previously, okay, that I did on Wednesday, because on Thursday I started to think about the lots. I started to think about what the hell, okay, how much do I want to place, how much do I want to gain. I started to figuring out some sort of risk management. I started to placing some thoughts on what I'm doing, and that I felt really great about myself, because okay, in Wednesday afternoon, after I stopped the trading, I was in plus 200. I was like, okay, I'm doing great. I am doing a great job. And later on, I found out I'm not. Okay, so I started thinking, I start a little bit more deep diving into that. And yeah, this wasn't that big gamble, but still, it wasn't what I would say a strategy, okay? It was something that might look like a strategy, but okay, but yeah, I was quite proud on that, what I have figured out with all the information by myself and with the other channels that help me with this, not directly but by watching those videos. Okay, so I started during the working hours to follow the trends, to see what I have been doing. I think I traded also UK successfully that day, I think, so I was quite nicely hyped on for real. Okay, so yeah, let me show you the Thursday itself. Look at this, 5 minutes till my meeting and 5 minutes till the market will open, the New York session. I will explain you later, guys. Alright guys, I have reached home. Recording is on. It's 6:15. It's quite a long day, but I'm home. Okay. So as I was showing you the short parts of this video, or in the previous part of this video, I want to show you what trades I have been doing today and why. Because today it wasn't about gambling. I've learned the lesson. Today it was more like about strategy and everything I believe trading is about. So my first trade was here in the morning session. what was the time? 10, I think, like 10:30 or something like that. I had meetings. After the meetings, I open up the app if I will be able to see anything on the UK session. During the UK session, I'm still trading a Nasdaq. Sometimes I'm trading UK, but I didn't see anything interesting in the UK session, in the UK 100. So I decided to try Nasdaq in these hours. Okay, so I will switch to the 5 minutes to show you. Yeah, here is the trade that I have took. Okay, so quick idea why. So yeah, here opens here markets open. So I have marked something like London session low, London session high. Okay, we have starting or the London during the London session, this is the high. We started pulling back. This trend line, I have made this trend lines later. They were not there. Okay, I was hoping like somewhere going like on this level of support, but no. There is a drop and here is a reversal. Okay, so I was waiting until we will make it over this part, take this liquidity. Then I was hoping there will be a retracement and continuation. Okay, so if I will have a look into the 1 minute graph, where am I? Yeah, it's here. This is 1 minute graph. Okay, maybe, yeah, something like this. Okay, so this is what I have been showing on the 5 minutes. Okay, so we have reached the top. We start, or the market start dropping, and here is the reversal part. Okay, so I was waiting when we go over this level to consume all the liquidity. Okay, so I was waiting to get above this level to get the liquidity. Then I was hoping it will start reversing and then in the continuation, which already, as you can see, happened. So I have waited for this part. I have entered here, and this is the leaving point. I was hoping my take profit was somewhere like here. So I was hoping that we will, or the market will try to go up and take this liquidity also. It didn't happen. I was hoping, okay, maybe we are retracing, and then I have seen like it's not pulling up. It cannot go above. That is the end of the trade, and that's where I stepped out. This is where I started to draw this line. Okay, so it's 2 p.m. and the New York session starts in 30 minutes. I have a meeting in 30 minutes, but the prime time of market starts in 1.5 hours. But I wanted to show you guys what I have been doing this afternoon or this day. Okay. See this? See this? See this? I've been making some trend lines. I will try to answer them, or I will try to describe them in the afternoon or in the evening when I get home. So we will see. We will see if my predictions and my analysis have been right. Hashtag no more gambling. Let's go. So, really nice line that has been on my eyes the whole day. Okay, so this is the time of the morning session when I took the trade, and then this is 1525 to 1530. This is moved in 1 hour into the future, because this in my time it would be not 3:30 but 2:30. That's when the New York session open, and this is and this is my prime time. This is 3:30 in my time. So this is the prime time when the markets open. Okay, so we have, for me, the London session start here at 9. I couldn't take it. I was on the meeting. This is where I was able to join. Okay, this is when the New York session opens for me. Still remove 1 hour minus 1 hour, And this is the prime time when the markets open, okay? So I have noticed this trend line, and I have marked London session high, low, London session high, okay? Very simple trade. I was like, okay, we are crossing this part right when the New York session is opening. And from that point, I knew my idea, or what I thought today will be bullish. Okay, we will go up. That's what I really thought about today. Daily bias. Okay, this is when I started the meeting, and I was like, damn, this is the breaking point. If we will break above this level and confirm that, and confirm that if we break above this level, if we'll break above this level or this level, we will go there. And then there's a confirmation, which is beautiful. A plus setup from my point of view. We will go and take the London high. Okay. Then there was retracement. And then the main session started. I was able to join somewhere like here right after the trade. Okay. Right after the meeting ended. Okay. So I took few trades. Oh, I haven't showed you. This trade was how much? $60 in profit. Great. Okay. In this part, I kind of knew that we will go up. I wasn't sure, wasn't sure. I was like, okay, today, from my point of view, it should be bullish. Okay. But I'm no pro, so I was precautious. I was taking some steps. Okay. I just didn't want to lose. That's more or less it. So, what I was doing today is basically the same thing I was doing, or what I did in the main session is basically the same thing I did in the UK session. Okay, so this is the breaking point I was showing you. If we'll break this point, then there was a retest of this and going for the London session. Okay, so there was a drop. I start to paying attention to this. Okay, there's something like accumulation, and now we are starting to raising up. Okay, and we are going up. We are jumping from London session low as a support. Okay, and we are taking this type of liquidity. Okay, I was late in this. I waited for retracement. I wasn't sure about this candle. I was hoping there will be a retracement like in the UK session, but it wasn't. It was another candle, and then there was a retracement where I have entered the trade, and this is where I stepped out. Okay, basically it is opposite way. I have stepped in up and get out in this part. So my first trade was a negative number. Second trade was accident because I was trading on my phone and I entered the trade because I was sure it will go up and I wanted to move a take profit and stop loss, and instead I accidentally click on close trade. It's when you open the trade, you have this like line, and then here you have a small cross. You will close the trade, or close the position. That's what happened here. Unfortunate accident. Never mind. Okay, but trade number 3 was here. Yeah. In the next minute, I have opened. Okay, so I will take it. This is chicken out. Okay, I have chickened out. Okay, that's it. That's it. This was an accident, like most of things I do, and this was a trade. Okay, so I knew this is a retracement. I entered the trade. I patiently waited that we will take the London session high, and I have, because there was a quite big retracement down, and was like, okay, maybe we will not take the London session high right now. I will close the trade. If we will start dropping here and find new support line, I will enter here, and then we will go for the London session high. That was the plan. So I have left the trade here with the profit, $45.6. Okay, and well, we went up. We went up to the sky. We took, or the market, the buyers, everybody made profit. They took the London session high. I wasn't expecting that. Otherwise, I would really wait. That was the plan. My take profit was here at $130. Bam. I stole for myself $90. Okay, but learning. Still learning, okay? Then this is the time where I was leaving the office. I went for my wife, etc. And this is the part where I was sitting to my car and I was hoping my wife will be a little bit late because I have seen, okay, we are having this trend line of London session high and we are taking that as a new support, okay? Or at least if you have a look, okay, we have take it, retrace, we start pushing, we retrace, we retest this zone and start pushing again and then take it. And this is where I entered and this is where I end up and out or step out, $18 profit. Easy like that. I was like, okay, 1 minute candle, that's it. I don't need anything else because I knew that there will be pullback very soon because this trade was really nice. Unfortunately, I could have made $130 on my first trade if I would hold it until here. Instead of that, I did 45 plus almost 19. So how much? 64. So half of the planned profit, okay? In these two trades instead of one. This is my last trade of the day when, as I was predicting, there will be a pullback, but I was driving in this part, okay? Otherwise, I would try to short it somewhere like here because you can see that we are pushing down, okay? But okay, what if is an if? Fine. Now we have been retracing up. So I wait, we again took the liquidity here. Okay, everything, we took it here, we took it here, we took it, we went, the market went candle by candle by candle by candle to this point when we stopped, okay? And I was, okay, retest, pushed, retest, push, a new candle, entry, okay? And I needed to drive at these stuff, so I end this trade because I was like, okay, we will go somewhere like here. And I stepped out immediately. Unfortunate. $21. Okay, so looking back, you really can see it had something like idea in it, but still, that was gambling. That was gambling. I'm not proud of that. It really looks like I haven't learned a fucking lesson. Okay, and just to be honest, I think I didn't. It's really hard for me to change my mindset. Okay, my biggest weakness is my time management. I know that it creates a lot of FOMO. It does. I will get to that also. After the Thursday, I started really a lot watching the Brandon and the Do More. I really appreciate you guys. If you are watching this, if this can reach to them, thank you for what are you doing. I have learned so much with your channels by watching you. What are you doing? How are you? What trend lines are you doing with Bamba? And today I can proudly say, okay, I'm making my own trend lines and I'm making them correctly. Okay, extremely appreciate what you are doing. Every day I do the charting, and I'm really looking forward on your videos. I'm really excited to see if I was right, and I really love your journey. I love your challenge. I really hope that Max will make it to the Chicago, and I really hope Brendan will pass his 100k challenge. I really am happy for you guys, how far you have made it. Every time I'm watching your video, you are entering the trade late or you are not taking the trade. I can feel your pain, guys, okay? I really can. So that's really something I would like to tell you. Thank you, guys. Thank you a lot. July 18th, aka Friday, was one of FOMO days. Okay, so July 18th, Friday, was not as much as gambling day, but as an overtrading day. Okay, I believe every day I have learned something from every video you hear. you will hear this. Do not overtrade. Have your risk management. Everybody will tell you the same. I'm the person who is learning through an experience. And I have started in the morning, I think like in negative $2 from the UK session. I did good trades, and then I tried to re-enter the good trade, and I kind of lost that earnings. It was something like, let me just check. Yeah, so I started with 3 trades that were in negative numbers. Okay, it was something like $22, $24, and then I have made 4 positive trades, which is 7 trades in the morning. Okay, in total balance, I have ended up in the UK session in positive $20, which is good. That's good. Positive $20 is really, really great. But in the afternoon session, I started with negative 50, then positive 45, and then with a brutal, beautiful positive 85. 85, yes, 45, 85, and 15. Okay, and so I was like ending the week in still like positive almost $200 until the evening. So I took few trades in the evening. It's like after the 6, after the 7, everything negative. Overtraded, a gambler, nothing less, nothing more. And it went even worse because I said it on the video, I said it before, I do not know why my chart was in the back time, that it was like move in 1 hour in the back, in the past. Okay, so when I thought is 11 was a midnight, or basically when it was a midnight was an 11. So basically the point is I left an opened trade in the weekend. So the weekend sucks because I didn't sleep, I was nervous, I was always checking the chart, so really fucked up days. Okay, in the midnight when the market opens, I have experienced something like slipperage. So negative $75 in the Monday morning. Okay, Monday, July 21st. Bad start, bad day. Okay, I have once again overtraded, and I have a reason for that. As I said, I have tracked down the core problem of why I'm overtrading and why do I have FOMO. It's basically because I do not have time to trade because of work, because I'm really getting home. I was really getting home late. In the next week, I'm leaving the job, so I will be much more better on my time management this time. But anyway, I took 20 trades. 20 trades on July 21st. Okay. I'm goddamn idiot. This is bullshit. I know what I was doing. I had a goddamn FOMO because I was working and I hate it. I really do hate it, okay? So, yeah. I wasn't able to record anything. I wasn't at home. I was doing everything on my phone. I was doing that between meetings and between all these stuff I'm doing at work, and I was really getting home late, and I really wanted to trade, and I really wanted to pass the challenge, and I wanted so much that I have ended up in negative 200 that day. Okay, negative 200. So I have traded and lost 400, and I almost got stopped out. Almost. Okay, as far as I remember. The daily drawdown was something like $400. I went almost there. I was like $392, something like that. Extremely overtraded, extremely depressed, extremely tired, everything. Okay, that's not an excuse, guys. That's just giving you the picture of me, why I was doing it, because I'm really good in analyzing the core problem of the situation. And the core problem here is that I don't have time, I have FOMO, and then I overtrade. That's it. That's the whole problem. Okay, the problem is me and my time management. On Thursday, 22nd of July, I took 30 trades. 30. And I have ended up again in negative 300. So basically I had something like $170, I think, or $112 until the final drawdown. Okay? I'm not proud on anything I have done. I'm really not. And today I'm sitting here little bit devastated for what I have done. Okay? Because I have betrayed myself with this. Okay? Anyway, I took my day off on Wednesday because what do you want to hear about Thursday? What do you want to hear? I took 30 trades and I draw down. I was damaged. And again, the core problem is that I was not able to trade in the prime time after the market opens because I had a lot of work. I have a lot of things to be done. I don't know why this is happening to me. Everybody leaves the company like peacefully. I'm still working from morning to the midnight almost. Goddamn. Okay, but it will end up soon. So the Thursday, 30 trades, negative 300, 100 and something dollars to closed up. Okay, so I took the Wednesday off. I wanted to focus on the trading. I wanted to show I wanted to prove myself that I'm not a dighead. That if I will have time, I will do it correctly. Okay? So So to the Wednesday. Okay, so we have 3 minutes before the markets open. I have made some marks on the screen. This is Nasdaq. I'm currently really down in the shit. My max drawdown is $117, guys. So doesn't look good for me even in this account. We will see how this will go today. Really depressed from the few past days, extremely depressed. Sorry to tell you that. Okay, the market is on. So let's see how this fighting. Let's go. I think that we might be okay with this. Yeah, I'm ready to take the risk. My guess here is that we will push it for a higher high. This is the opening drop. We have took the liquidity here. We have retraced it. We took all the liquidity here. If we will start retracing here, it will start be bearish. But from now, I feel like we should be going up and take all this and take it. Okay. The deal is minus 30 plus 90, so 1-to-3 ratio. Right now I'm fighting for my life. Okay, it's 1 minute scale. So, but on the 5 minute scale it doesn't look like bearish. Or am I wrong? Again, I feel like we should be bullish today. I just feel like we took the liquidity. We did this in the morning in the UK. The same shit we have dropped, took all the liquidity, all the opening positions, and then they spiked up. So maybe this will be a copy paste of the morning of the UK. Maybe, okay. Quite a nice move, honestly. Let's see on the 1 minute scale if that's not, okay, maybe okay. Let's try to be a little bit calm here. Okay. Let's try this. I will start to feel much more confident. Let's try it. Confirm. Let's be positive. Try to be positive. Let's have a look on the higher highs. What are we doing here? Take profit would be breaking this barrier. That's not a good idea, I guess. Maybe I should close the trade right now and wait. or I can be loyal to the plan. Because if we will start, we have to this. We might have some support in this part. Might. So the idea is that we should try to get back. We should try. It's not a rule. It's just my thinking about this. Okay. So let's have some high hopes and belief. The entry is not the best, so it's okay if I would close it right now. Just saying. Okay. But I'm really not sure. I'm really not sure about this trade. Definitely not. It doesn't look good. This market doesn't look good. We have touched this, we've took the liquidity, and now we don't know what to do. So let's get fuck out of here, I guess. Yeah, let's get out of here. The trade wasn't healthy. Okay. Okay, so yeah, minus 60 cents, great. Oh, just in time, okay. Doesn't look, okay, that was a retracement, so let's go like here. Take profit below this. And let's go a little bit better. Yeah, we will be pushing down, I believe. We will be pushing this down. We will go. That was a retracement. Now, all I need is to push below this level. Confirm. Bro, no. No. Really? No, you shouldn't. Let's go. Confirm this. Bro, don't tell me. Don't tell me I fall for this. Don't tell me. Please be right at least once in this week. At least once. I was right here. Be right at least once. We will be pushing here. This was the best entry. This was best entry. Okay. So now, please go down. Break this and go here. Really, please. Let's have a look. Okay. Okay. Again, leaving trade. Doesn't look good. Today's a very complicated day from my point of view. Maybe I'm just too early. Maybe I should wait more. I don't know. Maybe I should really wait more for this. Okay. Accumulation before drop or breaking point? Might be breaking point. Okay. Ah, bro. Bro, it doesn't look good. There's really a lot of bouncing. If I'll get into positive number, I will close this trade immediately. Because it doesn't look good, honestly. It doesn't look good. It's pushing and bouncing. It doesn't look good. I don't feel good. I don't feel good. We're pushing, okay. We need to break this. There's some sort of support I have missed. So we need to break this. That's okay. We will start breaking. That does look good. That looks good. That looks good. This looks like a nice push. Okay. Position. Doesn't look good. Okay. Hey, five more minutes. I always like end up the trade, and in the next 5 minutes it do what I say it will do. That's how, and then I get FOMO, and then I have everything like that. So let's wait a little bit, at least a little bit, okay? Let's wait 5 more minutes. Maybe there will be a retracement and drop, and retracement and drop, and retracement and drop. It won't be like yesterday. It won't be like 175 to $200. Confirm. Now please break this. I need to break this. I need to break this level. Really, come on, come. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, yes, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Cooking. At least something. $100. Great. Okay, okay. Let's go. Push it more. Push it more. Push it more. Push it more. Never mind. Never mind. Let's hope. Let's have some belief. Let's have some belief. Let's have some hopes. Okay? Let's have some hopes. Let's. Oh my god, please let me do at least one good trade in this week. At least one. I would really appreciate that. That's like beautiful candle. Okay. Good. Nice. Bro, a little bit. I'm done. I'm done. This is what I need. Really, really, really what I need. At least goddamn something. At least one good trade. At least one. It's more like 10% that I have 1% that I have done today. I'm really, really destroyed, and looks like I will be done for the day. Okay. Yeah. Look, big bounce. Yeah, maybe it will bounce again. It's okay. I took $128, 125. Look at all the losses today. Losses. All the losses. All the losses, bros. All the losses. That's painful. Really painful. That was yesterday. And if you look at it, it had something in it. This wasn't like only gambling. It has some idea. It has something. I'm really proud on that one trade that I took. Okay, I did very good trade in the morning in the UK. I took something like $74 if you notice that, but I again tried to re-enter. Okay, I was really tired, I was really depressed, so I take it as a great value, as a great experience that I took only one trade in that day. Only one. Okay, let's do some thinking around. I am 2% down to be locked down. Okay, if I would be doing 1% every day, I did for your calculations, I did 1.2% on that trade. Okay, starting point 10,000, I earned 125. That's 1.2%. Quick math. So if I would be able to do same trade every day, which is not possible. Okay, that's not like possible. No, it's not possible for me to do every day same excellent trade. I will get to explanation. It would take me something like 6 days to get into my starting point of 10k. Okay, and then it would take me another 8 days to make 8% profit, and then it would take me another 6 days to make 6% profit in the second phase, which takes me somewhere like half of July. Okay, so I was still thinking about what am I going to do, because from my point of view, I'm playing with the time. I need to start earn money. Okay, I really need to start earn money. I need to be profitable, and that's what is pushing me down. And I need to be profitable during the August. That's my goal. That's my target. Okay, at least something. I need extra money for the family. That's why I'm doing this. I'm doing this to have money for my family. I'm doing this because I always dreamed about this. And honestly, if I would have much more time to adapt on this, it would end up differently. I'm speeding this up. I'm speed running this. Really, I am. I'm watching videos at work after my family sleep in the midnight. I'm tired. I'm depressed. I don't have enough sleep. Tomorrow I'm waking up, I think 5 a.m. again or something like that. So it will be really tough Friday. Luckily, I think I will clock out early and I will make it to the trading. So because it's Friday, I can clock out earlier. But still, I'm really speed running this shit. I am. I'm really got speed on this. I'm rewatching all the videos over and over again. I'm trying to memorize everything. I'm trying to find anything that could really help me. Okay? I'm putting a lot of effort in this. I am. And this was quite a big progress for me. Just to be clear, from what I was doing last week, Monday and Thursday, this was great progress. I did the progress. On that day, I turned off everything, work, trading, and I was only with the kids. As you can heard in the video, I was babysitting kids, okay? But I had time to trade because they are kids, okay? It's fine. Plus I got PS5. So what I did, I turned everything on, I took some rest, I played with the kids, we had a great day, and I really relaxed. Okay, maybe before we go on Thursday, I said it. I'm depressed. I'm leaving my job. I'm feared I won't have money for my family. I still don't have another job, and I'm not good at this. I'm not. I did a progress, but I didn't what I was hoping I will do. Okay. So the calculation here is very clear. I have 2% until I will die. So I can go all in and hope for the best, or I can play safely. Which leads to Thursday, which is today, 24th of July. Looks like there is nothing I will trade in the morning because I'm not gonna trade this. This is nonsense, absolute nonsense. It's just moving up and down and taking stop losses and all this stuff. Alright, little bit late today, little bit late, my mistake. Okay, so I have marked everything, the market open in 1 minute. So I'm really looking forward to what will be today, how it will be going. Question is if this is a correction or not. How does it look like on 1 minute scale? We haven't taken this. We are trying to get this. What about Nasdaq? Nasdaq is pushing down. We're in the zone. Okay. 1 minute scale looks like we want to break down. Okay. How much is this? Take profit down here below this level. We are respecting this. This is quite a lot. This is a big jump. Okay, we are starting to pushing up. Let's go. Take profit. Let's go with at least free micro contract. I believe myself. Okay, let's go in. So the trade is set. It's 108. Hide it to 232. Is okay. Let's go into 5 minutes. Oh, okay. The stop loss is $100. That's goddamn a lot, bro. I'm already $60 down, $40 down. Okay, maybe I was wrong again. But it still looks like maybe I should close and wait for a better entry because it looks like it will be pushing down. Okay, let's close it, or close it for me. Okay, yeah. Minus $50 right ahead. Great. Or not. Let's go. I'm in for 2 lots. one more time. I believe this will go okay. Immediately pushing down. That's goddamn cool. Really great. Really great. So 2 trades, both of them. Okay, misread the situation today. Misread. Everything bad. I did everything wrong, bro. Okay. Yeah. We want to push down. Definitely. Damn it. Let's get out of there. Minus 22. Let's go. Okay, we are pushing and I need to push it even further. Somewhere like here. Confirm. Okay. We have break this zone. Now we need to break this zone. If we will break this zone, we are good to go right like here today. So 2 negative trades. That's not good. Not gonna lie. And I will definitely move my stop loss somewhere like here. Apply, because we are moving pretty nicely down. Let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. I'm late in this. Okay. Perfect correction. Perfect bounce from the support. I have really tight stop loss. Everything. God damn it. That's why I don't like it. Okay. That's it. That's all my fault. Everything here. Close positions in this day. 60, $120. That goes for last $80, $90. Otherwise I'm dead on this challenge. This is correction. Let's go in one more time. $40. That will keep like 60. Bro. Okay. Seriously. Okay. That's good. That was 1 minute loss. Okay, maybe 30 seconds loss. Okay, great. So we don't know what to do, and I need to wait for it because I have $56 and then I'm dead. Okay, let's go. Now push it up like here. Is this the end? Is this the last trade that I will be doing? Looks like. And we're dead. We're going down. We're going to die. Nice candle. Nice candle. Life-saving candle. Literally. Okay. Let's start to be greedy. Confirm. We want to go high. Okay, then let's go higher high. Okay, confirm. Let's be greedy. Let's move stop loss. Am I at even point? Okay. $60. How much is it take profit? 130. Let's fucking go. Let's break it. Let's break it. Let's break it, baby. Let's break it. Do you want to break it? Let's break it. 76 bucks. Okay. Yeah, accumulation. Let's go accumulation. Let's go accumulation. Accumulate, accumulate. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's start accumulating up. We want to go up. We want to go up. I know that. I know that we want to go now. Right now, we will take the higher highs. We will take them. Yes, okay. Let's keep on greed. 150. Let's keep on greed. I'm greedy bastard today. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We will take it. We will take it. We will take it. 1 minute pullback. Second minute pullback and rise up. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. You want to break this. You want to break the trend line. You want it. I want it. You want it. We all want it. Don't fucking look at my stop loss. It's really far away, bro. Get the fuck out of my stop loss. Up, 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 up. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, that even. Confirm. I'm confirming. Shit, fuck. Don't, please don't. 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 You piece of shit. Don't do this. Agreed. Didn't pay it off today. I should take that $60. I'm still $56 away from dying. Let's go. I'm gonna tighten the stop loss somewhere like here. I need to be greedy this time. What about Nasdaq? Bro, I'm dropping. Immediately at US 30, I open my position and I start dropping. Extremely great. So today is not my day, I guess. Yep. Again, look at this. Fucking correction and I will die. I did a lot of mistakes today, but never mind. Bro. I'm aware of those mistakes. I won't do that again. This was totally different from everything I did previously. In a market like this, days are not easy. It's a market like this that shapes the best traders. Look at this, bro. That's kind of like... Okay, my opening seems like a great place of resistance. That's good to know. Okay. Shit. This is something I have avoided in the morning. I have avoided trading the UK because it was like this. It was pending up and down in the trend lines. It wasn't breaking out. So I wasn't like, what should I trade? Because look at this, bro. Look at this. It just We're not breaking any trends. We are in the trend. That's bad. I might go, since we have done something like this. US30, be my savior. $36. Be my savior. US30, let's go. Bro, you owe me. You owe me. You took so much money from me that you fucking owe me that. That was great. Okay, I'm $8 at my equity. So, whatever I do, I die. So this is the end of this, disgusting candle. Taking all the profits, okay. Disgusting. Minus $20 immediately. Look at this, bro. Okay. I am below my profit, I'm below $800 of the max drawdown. So officially I have down, I'm dead on this challenge officially. So I will be placing a lot of thoughts of what I have done today. I know I have done a lot of mistakes. Everything is here. I did disrespect it. It's my fault, nobody else's. Okay? So yeah. That's it. That second challenge failed. Second account failed. Second account blown. Happens. Really happens. So what happened on the prime time? I kind of forget about the news that were coming out today. I have already watched Brandon, and let's just say I was right in the UK session, and if I would follow the logic, I would be right today. Still, I was really on the pressure about the time, so I was thinking, okay, maybe I can catch 1 or 2 trades just, to improve the situation, because I was really drawing down. I really need to do at least something and hope that tomorrow I will do a good trade, okay? Mamba don't trade on Friday, Brandon don't trade on Friday, Max is trading on Friday, I am trading on Friday because I don't know, I sometimes feel more like don't trade on Monday because there's a lot of things going on the weekend, and then there's a lot of like beat up, okay? It goes up down up down up down. It's really like roller coaster, more or less. So sometimes I just feel why I wouldn't trade Monday. It's not enough volume, or why I would rather not to trade on Monday than not to trade on Friday, okay? So yeah, I kind of was right on my way. I didn't trade the UK session. If I wouldn't trade the US session, I would be still alive. But in the other hand, if I wouldn't blow up my account, I wouldn't open up my third account. That's right, baby. I have opened third account. It's 50k account. I have went from the Clarity Traders to a different provider because it was really cheaper. They have the worst payout condition. Clarity Traders pay 90 to 10. These pay 70 to 30. Plus their additional rule when you get funded. So yeah, I'm tomorrow starting a whole new journey as a new man, as a new trader. So I'm not depressed. Honestly, I am happy. I am happy that I have blown 2 accounts. I am happy that I have learned that much. It is a path you need to take. It is a path I must take. I watch some people, they blown 5, 6, 7 accounts before they get funded. Sometimes they blow even 3, 4 times a funded account. I want to avoid this. That's why I'm really putting a lot of time and a lot of effort in what I am doing right now. I mean, like, it took me 12 years in 9 to 5 job to get myself to a better position. Okay, so mastering this in 2 weeks, it's really I would say impossible. But I'm never giving up. I'm like that. I would never give up on my way. Okay, it would mean I'm betraying myself, and I don't want to betray myself, and definitely I don't want to betray my family. I'm doing this for me and for them. And yeah, that's how I blew not one but two accounts, 125k, 110k. So you got what you came for. Hit the subscribe button, if I may kindly ask. Tomorrow I'm starting new path, hopefully totally different from what I was taking here. Just to be clear, I don't take the 25k account as any experience. There was no experience at all. I just open it and blow it. So my main experience is with the 10k. But I was practicing that on a demo, which was totally different from what I was doing. This time I'm really going big. I want to pass this challenge as soon as I can. I have new rules that I will be following, okay? Max 1 trade in the UK session, max 2 trades in the prime time session. So that's 3 trades during the day, starting tomorrow, okay? Risk management, max drawdown 1% daily, okay? 1% every day is my max lose, what I can do. Profit target is between 1 and 2%, ideally 2%, ideally. And not every day has an opportunity to do such a great trades, okay? So for the risk management, okay? So yeah, those are the rules. Just to be clear about everything, I think I have been trading the worst sessions, okay? Because if I would open up the charts right now and I would show you the Monday and the Thursday and the Tuesday, what was there? Like Monday, just first hour spiked up, breaking every resistance, break resistance and then just hold up. The same shit went on Tuesday. You just start dropping, break all the supports and keep going down and down and down. It was like minute after minute after minute just going down. I was like, no, sweet trading. And what I get, Wednesday, 1 trade, and I don't know, it was proper trade, but it wasn't that easy like on Monday and Tuesday. And what did I get on Thursday today? Extreme up and downs, extremely not predictable market, okay? But I have learned this fucking lesson. I would rather to do Monday and Tuesday and earn fucking big, and then have in days like this fuck off. Just like Mamba said, I'm not gonna trade today because there's a lot of news out. Who would trade it? This dude. Okay, so yeah, I have learned this fucking lesson. I have learned not to rush. I have learned everything about the day trading, consistency rules. I mean day trading rules, consistency rules, payouts, the max drawdowns, everything. The trailing drawdown, the static drawdown. I start a lot of learning in these past 2 weeks. That's why I have decided that I will open a 50k account and I will go big and I will go for the big fish. I will Godspeed, okay? I will be trading really only UK and prime time. And yeah, starting tomorrow, I have new rules, I have a new account. So hit the subscribe button because this will be a wild ride, okay? Just for the record, I'm already $250 down. Okay, but it's like 0.5%. I really wanted to test it, okay? Don't give me that look. If you have a new toy, wouldn't you play with it? I wanna play with it. I played it. I played with my new account. It's adorable. Okay? Fucking love it. So yeah, I hope I didn't bore you too much. and I will see you in the next video. Bye.